Y empezamos el tour aquí en la finca de mi amigo Jim. Estos son los botes donde se fermentan los granos de cacao. Ahorita tenemos uno fermentando en desde el viernes. Hoy es miércoles, lleva pues como 4 días y aquí los fermentan por un total de 7 días. Podemos ver que los cubren de hoja de plátano y luego abajo está el cacao. Look at that. Oh yeah. Fermentation, baby. And then over here están secando los granos. They're drying the beans. And these have been drying, oh, I don't know how long they've been drying, for a week maybe. And this is where they turn into the chocolate color, brown chocolate color we know, and it's starting to smell like chocolate. And then over here are some beans that are already ready to be sold. They've been dried and they're packaged. So let's go check out some cacao trees.
The Enchanted Forest.
It's amazing.
Oh, you never had the fruit direct from the pond? Yeah.
Direct from the tree. Wow. Wow.
So after I tasted this, that's when I decided I wanted to try the liquid.
Huh? Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Aquí estoy con mis cacao pods. Aquí está un vanilla vine climbing on the cacao. It's amazing. It's magical. Wow. I am enamored. I am so in awe.
El viernes está de secarlo.
Yeah.
Yo lo voy a llevar y lo voy a secar arriba porque no va a haber techo aquí.
Sí.
Pues ha estado increíble. Sorry, I'm making this video in Spanglish, but oh my gosh, I'm really like speechless after walking through that cacao orchard. Wow. Some trees were 35 years old, which was from the original plantation here, and the fruits, some of them were yellow, red, purple, green. I tried the fresh pulp, was amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go back in a little bit. There were just so many like horseflies and other kind of mosquitoes that were getting me. So I'm just gonna do some yoga right now, then maybe eat a few of the mangoes I brought, and then go back for a little exploration. Wow, but it is so enchanting out here. And some trees next to the cacao forest that are so old, like huge trees. Beautiful. Yes, so blessed. So since I'm out in wild country, I couldn't be bothered to look for like what I'm going to eat and to cook in a kitchen that I don't know, and I don't have all the goods that I want to cook with. So it's much easier to just stay raw fruitarian style. So this is my brunch today. After explorations and doing my yoga, we got papaya, avocado, and mango. 2 types of mango, the Queenie and the Jade. Thank you, Jade, for those. The Queenie is one that is super powerful scent, and it's super exotic. It tastes a little bit like durian or cempedak. It's from Borneo. So that's my brunch. Cheers! Oh, and I'm going to eat out here. This is a little cabaña. And this is the balcony out here, and it's so beautiful. Look at the view. And there was a horsey out there, but I don't see him right now. Cheers, pura vida. Bonito. Hola, guapo. Uy. So they're grafting cacao trees, and they also have cacao trees from seed. Look at that. And these over here are grafted, which is when you stick a different top to a different bottom, to a different rootstock. So you have a stronger rootstock, but the top is gonna be the fruit that you've selected for. Es que se ve increíble, porque pues yo estoy acostumbrada a comer las semillas, así las mastico y me la como, y pues aquí está haciéndose en una plantita. Increíble. Ahí va esa. ¡Wow! Y ese de aquí, o sea, vean eso. Está increíble. ¡Wow! So right here in this area is a kind of seed saving, genetic saving plot. They have 10 mother trees, which they've identified to be the best producing trees on the property, and then they've planted these. I think some of them are grafted, and they were planted a few months ago, and they're planted with some yucca. There's some banana around here, some ice cream bean, which is nitrogen fixing, really good because cacao needs lots of nitrogen. And yeah, so it's like a little seed saving space with younger trees. Here's a bunch of coffee plants with banana trees. There's some mangosteen, there's some cashew, coconuts, black sapote, papaya, anything your heart desires. Such a beauty of abundance. And there's whatchamacallit, star fruit hanging right there. No, it is not cold out here. The sun is out. It's beautiful. But this mosquito situation is really intense, so I gotta protect myself. I'm gonna go in for a little exploration by myself into the chocolate cacao forest. I'll probably get lost, but you know, it's part of the fun. Look at right there, it's all piñas, a line of pineapples all the way. Wow! This is the hike up to the Enchanted forest. It's pretty steep and muddy, but gotta work hard if you want to play hard. If you want to find the treasure. I'm going and going. I've given twists and turns. So many mosquitoes. I think they've got in my face. It's my only part uncovered. I got one beautiful one. I want to get one more. I'm searching for the perfect one. Oh my gosh. It's all, they let all the leaves fall, so it's the perfect breeding ground for the midges and I guess other pollinators because the cacao flowers are tiny. Let me see if I could find one. Here I found the flowers. It's unbelievable how tiny they are. And they turn into these beautiful fruits. And we transform these beautiful fruits into chocolate. Wow, wow. Like, look at that. And it will turn into this one day. Que es increíble. Vean lo pequeñito que están. They're so tiny. So tiny. Like, what? Gracias, arbolito, te broma cacao. Gracias. 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 Very intense out here. Oh shit, I had found a way, now I just lost it. So, wish me luck. I gotta get out of here. Even though I love it, it's a dangerous place. Ah! Aftermath. Woo! What a beautiful, relaxing day. Sunset time. And my dinner, simple as can be, mango and avocado. That's it. Simple life, loving life. Morning explorations. We just walked through the bush, going to the creek, to the river. The good thing, this was the best investment so far in Costa Rica. You gotta have your work boots if you're gonna be walking through the bush and this wildlands. This is it. Nice little river area. I'm just gonna soak my feet because I don't think it's deep enough to swim in. Woo, woo. Well.